So when you look at starting to do something that you've never done before, it's always a daunting task. You always start sweating. What happens? Because I won't know for 5 years whether we have succeeded or not. And by that time, we have to spend 1,000 crores of company's money. And if you don't succeed, being still a small company relatively in the automotive space, if you don't succeed, it's going to be a fairly significant impact in the company.
Coming off Chakan, MRV setting up, etc., etc. At the same time, planning for XUV, it all happened together.
The car goes into production on a massive scale. The pressure is on. The manufacturing team must roll out the brand new XUV 500 in a very short time span. And they can't lose sight of the cheetah-inspired style.
Yes, it is a risky proposition, but at the same time, if you're convinced, dream wild and then make it happen.